Hi, this is Savina from Kidsy Winsy. I just want to bring my lovely collection for kids crafting, and it's filled with craft materials. As you can see in this kit, we provide unlimited materials, and all these papers have a very unique range of foil, glitter, texture, and see you can see and the quilling strips and origami papers, animal prints. You can see interesting uh, stencils and lots of cutouts, and you can see the tissue shreds, tissue papers, and then we have a very interesting ready to use kits. Lakshmi Ma is there, and children can easily color and make this hanging. There's a Santa mask, there's a crown that children can easily make. Few things that children have already created from our papers. There is a rabbit paper weaving. As you can see, children have woven this and then they use shred. All the materials is provided in the kit, and very interesting that there is a money envelope in which we would be giving a rupee tracing. Children can color it and give it to their parents or grandparents, so it can be a lovely uh, Father's Day or a Grandparents' Day gift from the kids. So children can make number of materials, and we really hope we are able to bring what we have learned from the best in the world in the last 27 years. And all the colors that we have used are water-based inks, and the materials are mostly eco-friendly papers, and we really try to bring the village uh, workforce into this. So it's all handmade, handcrafted, and made by women. So thank you so much, and we look forward to your guidance and suggestions in future. Thank you.